Hello? When Mother Nature decides to remodel, she doesn't need a permit. Get ready for some of the most insane riverbank landslides ever caught on camera where buildings vanish in seconds, roads get swallowed whole, and entire landscapes crumble like a house of cards. This isn't just erosion, it's total devastation. From towering hotels tumbling into raging rivers to farmlands disappearing like magic tricks gone wrong, we're counting down 20 mind-blowing moments that prove nature always has the final say. Buckle up, hit that like button, and prepare to be shocked. Let's jump right in. One, the big splash. Right off the bat, boom, a massive chunk of land collapses into the river. This landslide occurred in a southern province of Vietnam. That's not just a little erosion. Folks, that's thousands of tons of earth crumbling in seconds. Can you imagine standing there and watching it disappear? The two-story downfall. This two-story building never stood a chance. Location: Bac Ninh, northern Vietnam. The floodwaters chip away at its foundation and then crack. Down it goes, swallowed by the merciless current. This is an extreme home makeover, nature's edition. The town was badly damaged. This flood not only rose, but also wiped out many houses along the river. A support beam snaps, and in a split second, an entire building is reduced to floating debris. Hope they had flood insurance. Slow motion doom. This one is straight up eerie. You can see the foundation breaking before it collapses. A moment of silence for what used to be someone's home. Bridges don't stand a chance. Bridges are supposed to be strong, right? Well, not when a raging river decides otherwise. Watch this whole structure collapse like a sandcastle in a flash flood. The hotel disaster. A hotel. Not a small shack, but an entire hotel sliding into the abyss. Guy, I hope nobody booked a river view room, because now the whole place is the river. Excavator gone wrong. This one is straight up painful to watch. A construction crew digs a little too close, and boomin' excavator topples right in. That's gotta be a bad day on the job. Dyke disaster. This landslide happened in China in 2024. As the landslide widened, local authorities had to sacrifice heavy trucks to block the floodwaters from entering the residential area. But nothing could stop the raging water. All trucks filled with construction materials were swept away like toy cars. That was absolutely insane! We just witnessed Mother Nature at her most powerful, erasing roads, swallowing buildings, and reshaping entire landscapes in seconds. Which landslide left you speechless? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this wild ride, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another jaw-dropping disaster caught on camera. Mari die. Stay safe out there, and remember, when nature decides to take over, there's no arguing with her. See you in the next one. Ha!